Oye, disculpa, ¿estás disponible? Hi everyone, the word of the day is disponible. Disponible. This means available. Disponible works with feminine and masculine nouns. The plural form is disponibles. Disponibles. Now let's see a few examples. Disculpe, ¿ese asiento está disponible? Disculpe, ¿ese asiento está disponible? Necesito hablar contigo. ¿Estás disponible? Necesito hablar contigo. ¿Estás disponible? Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Feel free to share more examples down below. I always love to read your comments. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!